Happy Monday, kindergarten, and welcome to today's math. Today I would like you to open your math workbook. Open to page 287, 287, 287. The first thing you do is always the same. You take out your pencil and write your name. I am going to write Miracle's name today. M-I-R-A-C-L-E, Miracle, and her last name is Toon, T-O-O-N, Miracle Toon. Remember, in kindergarten now we are going to be writing our first and our last name on our papers. Today we are going to write addition equations within 10. That means we are going to put together and we're going to write out the number sentence within 10. Look at the picture. Tell an addition word problem about the children in the picture. Write an equation to model the problem. Explain what each number represents. Okay, so here we're looking at the picture. We see that there are some children up the hill and some children trying to join, okay? So a word problem is just telling a story. An addition word problem is putting together the word story, okay? The equation to model the problem is just writing the sentence, the number sentence that matches the picture. And then explaining what each number represents means the two parts that are put together, the symbol, in this case adding, the plus sign, and the other symbol, the equal to, and how many there are all together now, okay? So the first part is, how many people climbed the hill? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first part, 4. Down, across, go down once more. That is how you make a 4. Then, how many more people joined them climbing the hill? 1, 2, 3. Now, when we say join, we mean addition. We mean plus. So 4 people at the top of the hill plus 3 more joined them. Then we say how many are on top of the hill now all together. So we count all of them, putting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 is all. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Listen to the addition word problem. Write an equation to model the problem. Explain what each number represents. Okay, so kindergarten, I want you to say addition. Addition. Addition means put together. Say word problem. Word problem. That's the story. Say equation. Equation. That's the number sentence. Okay? 2 birds are sitting in a tree right around back on the railroad track. 2, 2. 5 more birds fly to join them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you do join, that has to be the plus sign, adding, down and around, and put on a hat. Number 5 just looks like that. How many birds are in the tree now? That means all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the right, down from the sky. Give number 7 a try. And when you say all together, that means equal to. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 altogether. On this page, I am going to write Sebastian's name. Sebastian. His last name is Irizarry. Irizarry. Sebastian Irizarry. And he has two last names. His last name is Rullán. 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 Sebastian Irizarry Rullán. Okay. Think of a group of animals and more animals joining them. Tell an addition word problem about adding to a group using numbers within 10. Use drawings to represent and solve the problem. Write an equation to model the problem. Explain what each number represents. Okay, so first, let's think of a group of animals. I want my animals to be, let's make the circles and let's pretend they're deer. I see 3 baby deer in the grass. Okay. Around a tree, around a tree. That is how you make a 3. Now tell an addition word problem about adding to a group. So adding to means joining. Joining means plus sign. So the 3 deer were sitting in the grass. Mama deer and daddy deer joined them. How many is that? 2. Right around, back on the railroad track. 2, 2. Write an equation. Okay. So if we have the 3 baby deer and the mommy and daddy deer, how many deer are grazing in the grass all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down and around and put on a hat. Number 5 just looks like that. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. The 3 baby deer plus the 2 adult deer equals the 5 deer grazing all together. Listen to the addition word problem. Addition. When you hear the word addition, you already know it's going to be that, the plus sign. Write an equation to model the problem. The equation is the number sentence. Explain what each number represents. There are 5 swans swimming in a lake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swans. Remember, it's always easy to just make a circle or a square or a triangle. It's easy to make simple shapes when we're doing math to represent our animals. 5 swans swimming in a lake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 swans come to join them. 1, 2, 3. How many swans are swimming in the lake now? So we want to say these 5 swans and these 3 swans, how many are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make an S, close the gate. That is how you make an 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. I am going to write Mackay's name. Mackay, M-I-C-A-H. Mackay, his last name Hunt. H-U-N-T. Mackay Hunt. Remember, kindergarten, we write our first and last name on every page. Listen to the addition word problem. Guess what, guys? You heard that big word addition. Add that plus sign in there. Write an equation to model the problem. Equation is a number sentence. Explain what each number represents. What does it mean? The science club is watching the stars one night. Jada has 4 blankets to share. 4. Can you see my 4? 1, 2, 3, 4 blankets. I should have made rectangles because that's what a blanket's shaped in. Sasha brings 6 more. Down then a loop, 6 rows of hoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Running out of space for those blankets. How many blankets are there now? So how many is there all together? All together is that equal sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A 1 and a 0 is 10. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Tell an addition word problem about adding to a group of numbers within 10. Addition, we means that plus sign. Use drawings to represent and solve the problem. Write the equation to model the problem. Explain what each number represents. What does it mean? Okay, so I know that Julissa likes turtles. I want to do turtles. And Mrs. Turner has turtles. And Miss Yetaxis has turtles. We all have turtles. So I'm going to say there are 3 turtles. Julissa's turtle, Mrs. Turner's turtle, and Yetaxi's turtle. 3 turtles around a tree, around a tree. That is how you make a 3. So 3 turtles are out in the park. Now joining them, remember we say joining, we put a plus sign. Joining them are everybody's kitties, okay? So we have Jonathan's kitty, Alana's kitty. Who else has a kitty? Jonathan's kitty, Alana's kitty. I know more of our friends have kitties. Let's say that 5 kitties join. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kitties. Down and around and put on a hat. Number 5 just looks like that. So if we have the 3 turtles and 5 kitties join them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many animals are in the park altogether? There's the altogether, the equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make an S, close the gate. That is how you make an 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. When you're all finished, I would like for you to open your math homework workbook to page 109 and 106. You are going to write addition equations within 10, and you are going to complete them as your homework and upload them into Seesaw.